petite session. Quoi?
Tell me something, boy. Are you tired to feel that void? Or do you need more? Hell, it can't be kid, it's so hardcore. I'm falling. In all the good times I found myself longing for change. And in the past times I feel myself